It takes a special skill to walk and vlog.
Voila.
China bomb.
I got hooked.
Literally.
But a pro tip for you men. All right, so we are at Lake State Park.
I could just picture us tumbling as we're doing this.
It takes a special skill to walk and vlog, something I don't do a lot of. But we are at Lake State Park.
And we're not camping.
And we're not camping. Actually, we can't camp this weekend because Joni has an obligation with a wedding that she has to shoot tomorrow. But something goes on at this campground every year, the Fall Harvest Festival. As this big truck goes by, it's going to be very noisy. So they have the Fall Harvest Festival here every year. And it's not it's big around this area. Everybody knows about it. It's like the prime weekend to be camping here.
Yeah, we used to camp here many years ago.
Every time they had this festival.
We mooched camp.
Yeah, we would mooch camp a lot.
My parents, his parents, we loved the fall festival.
And the weather's usually nice this time of year to be doing some fall camping, so we're going to check this fall festival out and see what it has to offer. Who needs a solo stove when you can get something like this? All right, go Buckeyes.
Oh wow, look at those things.
What does it say when your wife's more interested in the machine that's making the ice cream than the ice cream? That she's probably a farm girl.
Yeah, I've been tying since I was 17. My uncle taught me up in Wisconsin when I went up there, and I got hooked.
Literally.
So
we have a friend that he goes up to Michigan to fish. Do you recommend any of the one that flies for these, or?
Steelhead's gonna like something a little bit bigger. Do they fly fish?
Mm-hmm.
Check these out. Feel the weight on that.
I don't know. I don't fish enough.
It's real light.
Okay.
It's made of that Chinese finger cuff material.
Oh.
Wow.
There's a company that produces that for fishing lures. And if you squeeze it, it's hard. So fish with teeth don't tear it up.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Right.
How much is something like this?
Those are $6.
Okay. Do you want to get one for Chuck?
You can.
and it's got just enough to let a little bit of air out of it, so it'll make a bubble trail too.
Oh, okay.
Then when it gets saturated, just swing it around on your rod for about 20-30 seconds. It'll dry it out, and then it'll start making bubbles again.
Well, then let's just do this one.
You like that one?
Still too early for Christmas stuff for me. It's just literally just turned fall.
Wednesday was the first day of fall.
And when this all started over here, that's what you had to do. You had to demonstrate your
Yeah, very cool.
a lot of different fabrics and
Yeah, there's a lot of time
a lot
here.
of different colors. And
How long does it take to make one?
stuff. The actual weaving is about the shortest part. Setting up a loom, getting it ready to weave, is the big
Time.
thing. And then preparing materials.
Yeah.
Like if I take old clothes and I trim out the old clothes and cut the strips and then sew the strips,
Yeah.
and he finally gets to lay
Yeah.
them on the
Them
strip.
three shells there are all blue jeans.
Blue jeans, yeah. I actually
That's
thought
pretty
that when
awesome.
I seen that.
China bomb. So Joni asks if there's anything here that I might want that would be for me. I think this might fit the bill. That's more my speed.
Alright, we just made a quick trip up here to Indian Lake State Campgrounds where they are doing the fall festival, which they do every year. And they did move it this year. They moved it up to the C section and not the A section that we've always remembered it to be. It is very busy here.
Yeah, a lot of walking.
Yep. But if you're looking for something to do, this is something they do every year, a couple weeks after Labor Day. So you guys can kind of search that out. I think they have a Facebook page that they post dates on. And just a lot of vendors.
But a pro tip for you men, if you want to come to this and you don't want to spend a lot of money, ride your motorcycle.
All right. Well, until next time, guys.
Have a glamping.